Hello and welcome to Assignment 3, the 3 extension screencast, where we'll demonstrate briefly 3 of the extensions that I feel are going to be most beneficial to my use in the classroom. The first of which is the black menu for Google. If you look up top, it looks like there's 4 different colored books stacked on top of each other. And all you need to do, you click on it, and when you open up the black menu, it lets you essentially work through all of your Google products without leaving the screen that you are currently on. So if I needed to demonstrate something on my calendar, if I had my calendar logged in, I could show you right there that this was upcoming, or this assignment was due on this specific date, without having to leave my screen to, if I needed to prove a point to a student that way. Or if I wanted to quickly search something on YouTube, I would type in, say, Hitler, because that's what my lesson's on tomorrow, and you can go right through there and scroll down to see if any of the links are what you want. And again, there's all the different Google apps. So that's the first one, the black menu. The second of which I like is the LastPass. LastPass are these 3 red dots, and essentially makes it so you don't have to remember all of your passwords, and this actually allows you to make up really extensive passwords to make sure that nothing can be hacked into. If you click the 3 red dots, you can see the menu for LastPass, and the way that I have it worked, I have it labeled by sites and school sites, and I have some sites that I've been using in school. I've actually had to be out the last couple days due to an illness, so I have my ASOP saved, and I'll just click on that real quick in case I had to take another day off, but I don't. And when you log into ASOP, what you should see, a lot of times it will keep it for you there, and whenever it has these 3 dots and the 1, that means it's automatically saved in that program, and it'll log you in. Alright, so that's how LastPass works. I really like the fact that I could now make up really extensive passwords to never have a fear of any student ever possibly hacking, or another teacher. I don't know why they would want to do that, but just in case. So I'm going to log out of that. And the last one that I have to actually open up a couple tabs, it's going to be called Tab Cloud, and it looks like a little cloud. I just want to give you an example here. So say I found something on YouTube that I wanted to share. Say I found a cool article on CNN, and then let's say, even as sadistic as it is, that tomorrow I wanted to show my kids a specific paragraph from Hitler's work Mein Kampf. Alright, I'm going to give it a second. My computer is deciding to all of a sudden run a little slow at this moment. So we can see YouTube is opening up. CNN should be there to follow. And finally, Mein Kampf has opened, and I apologize if there's a little delay in the video, but for some reason my computer decided to either start uploading or something. Anyways, so now that I have all those tabs open and I have them here at home today, if I want to make sure that I have that exact same spot, you can click on the Tab Cloud, and if you notice, I have those 4 sites, so Schoology, YouTube, CNN, and all you have to do is give this a name. So I'm just going to call it Sample. Alright, you do that, and then make sure you click on the disk, and it saves it. Now I want to show you, I'm going to close out of everything. I'm going to reopen my Chrome, and we'll get rid of that. And if I click on my Tab Cloud, and if I click on Sample, if I click on the plus sign, sorry, you can see that it will actually, and it'll take a few seconds to get everything, but it'll take you back to exactly where you were. No matter where you were on whatever web page, so you can see right there is my Schoology is at the right spot. The YouTube, and notice these took a few seconds to load before, so shouldn't expect any different this time. So there's YouTube. And this would be really nice if you have a lot of different resources you're trying to use. Maybe you have a primary source document that you don't want to have to print off, just to show them a line or two, or a specific picture you want to show. And like I said, if I was using the Minecraft, and maybe I did a combination of another website. If I wanted to have a specific area already highlighted so I can jump to it. So again, there's CNN, and Minecraft is loading, but it's taking a while. So there you go. Those are the 3 extensions: the black menu, the LastPass, and the Tab Cloud.